The 2024 Honda Transalp XL750, $9,999, marks Honda's exciting return to the middleweight adventure bike arena, delivering a versatile and appealing option for both new and experienced riders. Combining on-road comfort with light off-road capability, the Transalp strikes a perfect balance while showcasing Honda's signature reliability, sleek modern design, and thoughtful engineering. At its core, the Transalp features a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine adapted from Honda's European Hornet platform, specially tuned for adventure riding. This engine produces an impressive 91 horsepower and 55 pound-ft of torque. Its 270-degree crankshaft creates a character similar to a V-twin, enhancing low-end torque and adding a distinctive personality to the ride. The engine offers a smooth, responsive power delivery that excels on winding roads and gravel trails alike. With a lively top end and excellent fuel efficiency, it's a capable companion for long-distance adventures. The bike's lightweight steel frame ensures nimble handling on challenging terrain while maintaining stability at highway speeds. Showa suspension provides comfort over uneven surfaces, though it falls slightly short of the heavy-duty capabilities of competitors like Yamaha's Tenere 700. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels add off-road versatility, bolstering the Transalp's adventurous spirit. Honda has outfitted the Transalp with an impressive suite of electronics to enhance rider confidence and convenience. 5 selectable riding modes, standard, sport, rain, gravel, and user, adjust to varying conditions, while Honda's selectable torque control, HSTC, integrates traction and wheelie control for added safety. A quick shifter is available for smooth gear transitions, though the lack of cruise control and the inability to disable front ABS for sandy conditions lean the design slightly toward road use. The 5-inch TFT display is colorful and Bluetooth-enabled, but its small fonts and cluttered layout can make quick adjustments less intuitive. Whether you're carving mountain roads or exploring gravel paths, the 2024 Honda Transalp XL750 stands out as a well-rounded, accessible, and adventurous choice in the middleweight category. The Transalp prioritizes comfort with its upright seating position, adjustable windscreen, and spacious saddle, making long rides enjoyable for both rider and passenger. Its 4.5-gallon fuel tank ensures a respectable range for extended adventures, while the manageable 459-pound weight strikes an ideal balance between agility on trails and stability at highway speeds. Additional touches like LED lighting and a wide range of optional accessories, such as luggage and crash protection, make the Transalp a highly adaptable platform for any adventure. Blending form and function, the Transalp's sleek bodywork showcases modern styling with practical benefits. The aerodynamic design enhances high-speed performance, and the LED lighting adds a contemporary flair. Priced competitively at $9,999, the Transalp offers remarkable value by seamlessly combining performance, advanced technology, and rider comfort into an accessible package. As a versatile all-rounder in the middleweight adventure touring segment, the 2024 Honda Transalp XL750 shines. While it lacks some specialized off-road features found in more rugged models, its balanced design makes it an appealing choice for a wide variety of riders. Whether navigating city streets, carving through mountain roads, or venturing onto unpaved trails, the Transalp is a dependable, stylish, and capable companion for any journey. 2024 Honda Transalp XL750 Performance. The 2024 Honda Transalp XL750 delivers a confident and engaging performance, making it a standout in the middleweight adventure bike category. Powered by a 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine borrowed from Honda's European Hornet, the Transalp is tuned specifically for adventure riding. This high-revving powerhouse generates 91 horsepower and 55 pound-feet of torque, offering a dynamic blend of low-end grunt and thrilling top-end performance. The 270-degree crankshaft imbues the engine with a character reminiscent of a V-twin, enhancing both traction and the bike's overall riding personality. On the road, the Transalp excels with smooth and linear power delivery, making it equally adept at handling twisty mountain roads and highway cruising. The bike's responsiveness ensures confident overtakes and effortless acceleration, while its lightweight design and agile handling inspire confidence in corners. The high-revving nature of the engine adds an element of excitement, giving riders a lively top-end experience. Off-road, the Transalp offers solid performance for light to moderate trails. The Showa suspension, featuring 43mm upside-down forks and a rear monoshock, provides a plush ride over uneven terrain, while the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels enhance stability and control on loose surfaces. Although the suspension setup is not as aggressive as that of dedicated off-road machines like Yamaha's Tenere 700, it's more than capable for gravel roads and adventure trails. Honda's thoughtful engineering extends to its electronic performance aids. With 5 riding modes: Standard, Sport, Rain, Gravel, and User, the Transalp adapts seamlessly to various conditions. Honda's Selectable Torque Control, HSDC, which integrates traction and wheelie control, ensures optimal power delivery on diverse surfaces, boosting rider confidence. However, the absence of front ABS deactivation for sand or loose dirt riding reveals a slight preference for road-oriented versatility. Overall, the 2024 Honda Transalp XL750 strikes a perfect balance between performance, usability, and adventure readiness. It's a bike that thrives across a spectrum of riding scenarios, offering accessible and thrilling performance to riders of all skill levels. Riding experience: 2024 Honda Transalp XL750. The 2024 Honda Transalp XL750 delivers an impressive and well-rounded riding experience, catering to adventurers, commuters, and touring enthusiasts alike. Designed with versatility in mind, the Transalp shines on both pavement and light off-road trails, ensuring a balanced performance for riders of varying skill levels. On-road performance: on paved roads, the Transalp is a joy to ride. Its upright seating position and ergonomic handlebar design promote a natural, relaxed posture, reducing fatigue on long journeys. The 755 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine delivers smooth, predictable power across the rev range, making highway cruising and spirited cornering equally enjoyable. With 91 horsepower and 55-pound FT of torque, the bike offers a confident surge of acceleration for overtaking or tackling twisty mountain roads. The 270-degree crankshaft adds a V-twin-like character, giving the engine a lively yet refined feel. The Showa suspension setup absorbs imperfections in the road with ease, providing a composed and comfortable ride. While its lightweight frame makes it agile in urban environments, its stability at highway speeds ensures a planted feel, even on extended stretches of open road. However, the lack of cruise control might be a drawback for some during long highway rides. Off-road capability: when the pavement ends, the Transalp transitions seamlessly into light off-road terrain. Its 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel, combined with dual sport tires, provide excellent grip and control on dirt roads and gravel trails. While the suspension is geared more toward